You're gonna hit this guy when you turn the corner.
It's all about content.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Nader Tater, we're back.
We are back. You know, it feels like we were just making the same video only a year ago.
Greenville Triathlon 2026, and it's 10 degrees warmer.
Is it warmer?
Yeah, it's 56 degrees instead of, or 58 degrees instead of 48 degrees.
Hey, that's better than last year.
Nate, how much swimming did you get in this season?
0. We haven't swam since the race last year.
Oh my goodness. At least you've been running.
Yeah, you know, we're in great running shape. I rode my bike once this year now before.
I'm in great shape. I'm in a rounder shape. I took 2.5 months off from running.
There you go.
Hey, this is not a dad bod, it's a father figure.
Exactly.
So it's about a mile bike ride, or how far do you think this is? Mile? Not a mile.
From the car?
Yeah, from the car.
I bet it's a half.
A half mile.
We're gonna go in between a half mile and a mile.
Yeah,
so probably
yeah,
3/4 of a
not-
mile.
Yeah, it's short of a mile.
That's what I'd say.
I would say it's a little quarter of a mile.
Yeah.
Oh, say hi, Paul. Hello. Brother-in-law Paul's marking bodies. Is it 13th year? Why does your shirt say 10?
It is 10 because it's 60-some degrees, so I pulled
Hey.
out my 10.
It's warmer than last year.
It is.
That's an annoying buzzer.
That's my friend for the next about 4 hours, 5 hours.
Ah.
And we have royalty over here.
Yeah, Mike, my favorite travel agent, and my
How you doing? What?
older sister, big sister.
Big. Jose, be careful.
This is my sister, Lori. Hey, if you need a good cruise or any Disney trip, you should call Lori at Adventures by Lori. Where is it? Oh, it's right in the middle. Look at that thing. Adventures by Lori. Call her. I book all my cruises. How many cruises have I booked with you?
Oh.
13 cruises.
He's my favorite.
I'm her first customer.
My favorite big brother.
All right, Nader Tater, we gotta set up our transition area, don't we?
Dude, I'm already halfway done. You gotta chop.
You know, I signed up for my company 401k the other day. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I've never ran that far in my life. 401k, that's a lot of Ks. Oh, you know what, Nate?
What?
I don't think I need my helmet on anymore. What do you think?
Because
All right, my bike transition is all set. Now I gotta get cameras on my bike. 758. 758. It's my cousin.
Morning.
Good morning.
Did I interrupt a monologue?
No, because I
about to tell me a joke.
because I forgot to push record. I'm stretching because I didn't stretch last year,
Oh, yeah.
and he was talking about IT. I went in and he asked if I have any IT jokes. I went in the office asking for the IT guy,
Yeah.
and they said, "Oh, he ran somewhere." Ran somewhere? Yeah, not good.
Not good. Gonna go put my bike away.
You ready?
No.
Where's your stuff?
Can you not see where my stuff is?
Yeah, now I see it.
How early did you get here to get the bike spot for
We
you?
got here at 6. But you know, look. Kim. Hey, Kim. It's a Stella fly.
Yeah.
Turtles, that'd be fun. Turtles. If I come on with the turtle,
You need first aid. If you're on the bike,
the swim?
you need first aid.
Oh yeah,
you owe me lunch.
Well, you know what the snail said when it was riding on the back of a turtle, right?
Station is right over here.
Wee.
Food tent's right here.
Wee? Because turtles go so much faster than a snail.
Oh yeah.
It's right here.
Okay, you gotta say like
Don't miss
subscribe
that.
one more time because I don't think you will.
Like and subscribe,
Or-
and don't forget to hit the like button.
Or
But
don't.
don't actually, yeah, don't subscribe, don't like it.
First say college.
Yes, yes, don't do it.
And they will.
Don't do it.
Don't like, don't subscribe, don't buy any merch.
If you want your life to be worse, don't do it.
Well, that's even better. You're supposed to be swimming here in a second. Why? Are you gonna swim in sweats?
Yeah, dude.
I think that's gonna slow you down, buddy.
Yeah, it's gonna keep you afloat. No.
See, everybody's over on this side of the fence. Why are you over there?
He'll catch up.
Okay, this tomato and lettuce, they're in a race. The lettuce is ahead. Tomato's trying to catch up.
Yeah. Yep.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We've got our white wave coming out of the water now.
Alright, little FYI, when you have a triathlon watch, make sure you know how to operate it before you do a race. I had some really good swim times just a minute ago. Alright, now I'm on bike.
Brother of Doug Hinkley, Craig Hinkley.
How was the ride?
Cold.
Cold?
Very windy.
I know.
Very, 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 very
How'd you
windy.
like the new turn?
That was a lot better. Hey,
On the run. Here you go.
time to go run, Doug.
Okay.
Look. Yep. See you on the flip side. This is a beautiful run course, though. Thanks for being out here. We're almost done, right? Oh, come on! Make some noise, make some noise.
Keep it up. You got this.
All right. Thanks to all the volunteers. Couldn't do this race without you. Good job. We do this little pigtail and back around the lake. Yeah, Mark. Looking good. He's a volunteer. All right, Josh. Told you could beat me this year. Evan, you better hurry up. I got some good dad jokes. Catch up. Evan! Ow! Is that Josh? Knew you were gonna catch me. I'm so far out of run shape. Taking 2.5 months off.
All my goals to catch up to it.
Man, I saw a guy running, dragging a mollusk behind him with a leash. Wow. I said to myself, man, it's gotta be hard running with a pulled muscle. Good job, buddy. Yeah, he passed me. No, he just passed me. Thanks, Deborah. All right, now we run around the lake again. Oh, you guys already on your union break? Thanks for being out here. About a mile away, and you can see this finish line. Be there in about a mile, Doug. Hey, I got a new one for you. Hey, did you hear they just arrested the Energizer Bunny? Yeah, they're charging them with battery. Just look how beautiful this is. So windy, oh my.
Number 758, and Caleb DeHartig is across the finish line, as well as Cody Moss, number 840.
Right over there.
Good job, Josh. Way to go, Caleb. Right, on camera. How can I edit my finish when you go right by me?
Hey, you're all sweaty. Good job.
Oh, I'm all sweaty. Here.
Give me all, yeah, wipe off that. biker coming through.
Lloyd Barber and Jana Chevalier, along with Devin Smythe, are all across the finish line.
Oh, sweet, thank you. You must have passed, you passed Evan?
Hill. I don't know who put that hill there.
Yeah, we might have to talk to the city engineer over there about the hill.
I don't know why they decided to put a hill in the middle of the course.
Yeah, I think the city engineer needs to flatten that hill.
I agree.
What do you think?
I think they can just bulldoze it.
Nate, I was running. I saw a guy walking his dog. I yelled out, "Hey, your dog's fat." Turned around, really upset, and he said, "No, he's just a little husky."
Ah. She thought it was funny.
Good job, buddy! You know, Mallory, I think I slowed him down because I said, catch up to me, I have some good dad jokes. I think I just slowed him down. Man, I had a good one for you, and I had to tell Nate.
My legs were kind of like cinder blocks.
Clear the area here.
And then this guy right here, I'm crossing like this, and he flies by me like there's nothing.
It's sweater.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold out, you know?
I had it on standing. But look at him, he's like
that much,
he's like my height, but 100 pounds less. Hey, watch my video.
Yes, absolutely. No, because this is my first try.
Awesome.
And I wanted to sign up for this one, so I went on YouTube and I watched your video and I saw you on there. And then I showed up and saw you two. Was like, oh, hell yes.
Yeah. And big question, have you liked and subscribed?
I liked. I don't know if I subscribed.
Yeah.
I'm using you. Yeah, I'm sorry.
You gotta subscribe.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Buy some merch. I don't have any merch, but
Okay, yeah.
but I got a lot of extra large race shirts.
You give me one of your old ones, we'll call it a deal. Yeah, sign it though. Yeah, heck yeah,
Thanks
man.
for
I
watching.
appreciate it. Yeah, no problem.
Everyone in this whole place can see.
I don't look cool.
What color?
Okay. Hi. Hello. Entertainer. What did you get? Silver?
Dude, we got silver, man.
We. There's no we. You.
I guess. 7.
I got 7th place. I gotta meet the 6 guy so I could say, hey, 6, 7. Let's see. At least if I video it and we fall, I can make some money.
No, I should make you get down and see the number. That's okay. You have a camera, so it's on camera.
It's on camera, me stealing this fancy bike. Hey, you didn't check our bike, so bye. Boy, that was windy.
That was a doozy, man.
But that was a fun race.
That was a fun race.
Well, you moved up. You got 3rd last year.
That's
you got
right.
2nd this year.
And there's more people in my age group.
And more people. people watched our videos.
That's right.
Nate guy recognized. He's a celeb.
You're the creator, though, and you didn't even get recognized.
I know. But you know what? He's liking and he's gonna subscribe to my channel. And he said he would take an extra large race shirt.
Honestly, you know what it probably is? It's because I talk so loud. He probably heard my voice.
You know
Like,
what?
oh, that's the loud dude.
You know what? That is a fact. You do talk loud.
All right. Will you be able to get off your bike?
Without falling?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I mean, I don't even know if I could grab something, like... There you go.
Oh!